Hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC. We're going to take up the 15-year anniversary edition of the FMS Viper. I've got the new, this is the second flight on this configuration with my new receiver put in there, which I did that 7-channel Lemon RX Gen 2 setup on how to set it up. I use this plane, and I've installed KM model Afterburner version 4. I'll put a link in the video for that Afterburner. Now, when you go to the link, it's going to say version 3, but it's actually version 4. Right, left, up, down, right, left. All right. Going to have a little bit of fun with this jet. A little windy today, but sort of down the runway, so that does help. Oh, yeah. Can definitely see it at Afterburner. Timer set for 3.5 minutes, which I'll reset it once I get down to the far end. All right. Here we go. Man, I love that blue flame. It's blue at full throttle.
Gear up.
All right, full speed. Into the wind, though.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
And then we're going to go up with her. Come by, cruising by. And up in 1, 2, 3. Little snap roll there.
Gear down.
All right. That signal caught me there for a second. Saw that wing wag for a second. I was right over that F-16 killing zone.
Landing flaps.
All right, we're going to do a practice go by on landing.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Actually, we're just going to go ahead and land it. So everything's down.
Braking. Cruise mode.
Yep, she's got brakes.
Flaps up.
Ooh, I love that Afterburner. I like the fact that I can see it through the fuselage. I know it's not scale, but I don't care. It looks cool.
Gear up.
All right, we're going to actually turn around. What we're going to do is we're going to come back down full speed right now. Then we're going to go up.
Gear down.
I'm going to peel out. Sorry, I probably was in the way.
Takeoff flaps. Flaps up.
All right.
Braking. Cruise mode.
All right, we got enough for one more takeoff and landing.
Time remaining 1 minute.
All right. Man, I love this little jet. All right. Here we go. I'll leave the gear down. Don't even need brakes right now.
Cruise mode.
All right, let's check the battery real quick. We may have enough for one more.
Motor off.
Real quick, check the battery. Now I know this is where telemetry would be nice, but don't have that. %. We're gonna go up one more time. Put my afterburner back in. Put that back on. Let's take her up one more time.
Motor on.
Helps immensely to have the motor on.
Seconds.
All right, here we go.
Gear up. 20 seconds.
All right, we'll make a pass. Kind of cruise by.
9.
Get my gear down.
7. 6.
Get a look at that afterburner.
4. 3. 2. 1. Time expired.
I guess that means the plane's going to explode.
Braking. Cruise mode.
All right. Well, folks, that right there is the FMS 15-year anniversary edition Viper with a KN model afterburner. Thank you, KN Models, for sending that out to me for a review. I love it. All right, folks, thank you so much for watching.
Motor on.
That is the FMS Viper 15-year edition. Got retracts, and even though the motor's off, the afterburner still has an idle. I like having it on, I can see it. All right, folks, y'all have a good one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And folks, thank you so much for watching. Hobby Zone, thank you for sending me out the Viper for review. I love it. Y'all have a good one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless y'all, and don't forget, stay family and friends, the Jets. Bye-bye.